This is the visual abstract of the paper, Fatigue Life Simulation and Analysis of Aluminum Alloy Sheet Self-Piercing Riveting. In the paper, a fatigue life prediction model of self-piercing riveting components is established, and the effects of roughness and residual stress on fatigue life are analyzed by the model. ABAQUS and FSF are used to study the fatigue life, as is shown in the Figure 1 and Figure 2. Look at this formula. The quantitative relations are fitted through mathematical statistical experiment. As is shown in Figure 3, when the maximum stress is fixed, the fatigue life increased with the decrease of residual stress, and the fatigue life decreased with the increase of roughness. Compared with experiment, the average error is 9.27%, indicating that the fatigue life simulation is reliable. Thank you.